Hello everyone, in this lecture of the Essential Calculus Problem series, I will solve limit as x approaches to 0, 1 minus square root of 1 minus x divided by x. Now, for this problem, I will write limit as x approaches to 0, 1 minus square root of 1 minus x divided by x. And first I try a direct substitution here. 1 minus square root of 1 minus 0 divided by 0. And this will give us 1 minus 1 divided by 0. And it is equal to 0 divided by 0. Now, direct substitution gives us an indeterminate form. Since direct substitution gives us 0 divided by 0, this means that we can't evaluate the limit yet. We should first simplify the expression to remove the indeterminate form. For that reason, I will use the identity for the difference of squares. Let me remind you what was the identity of difference of squares. If we have a minus b multiplied by a plus b, this was equal to a square minus b square. Now we have limit as x goes to 0, 1 minus square root of 1 minus x divided by x. When we have a square root in the numerator, we should multiply the numerator by its conjugate and also divide by its conjugate. And this will usually remove the indeterminate form. I will multiply this expression by 1 plus square root of 1 minus x divided by 1 plus square root of 1 minus x. Here we have 1 for a and we have square root of 1 minus x for b. Then after multiplication we get limit as x approaches to 0, 1 square minus square root of 1 minus x square and x times 1 plus square root of 1 minus x. And this is equal to limit as x approaches to 0, 1 minus x divided by x times square root of 1 plus square root of 1 minus x. And this is equal to limit as x approaches 0, 1 minus 1 plus x divided by x and 1 plus square root of 1 minus x. These ones cancel each other and we get limit as x approaches to 0, x divided by x times 1 plus square root of 1 minus x. Now we have common factors here, x, and these common factors approaches 0, but it is not 0, so we can cancel them. You should know that x is approaching 0. X will never be 0. So these two numbers are equal and they are different than 0. Then we can cancel them. After cancellation, you can substitute x equals 0 here. We do not substitute the number before simplifying. If we substitute first, the expression becomes undefined. We get 0 divided by 0 again. But after simplification, we can safely substitute the value 0 here. And since we have limit x approaches 0, 1 divided by 1 plus 1 minus x, now we can substitute 0, we get 1 divided by 1 plus square root of 1 minus 0. And this is equal to 1 over 2. Okay, we get 1 over 2. Okay, now the answer is this, and in the next problem I will solve limit as x approaches to 0, square root of 1 plus 2x minus 1 divided by x. See you in the next video.